AKMR produced it.
So guys, welcome back to another video. This has been a long time overdue, but I thought I'd still post it anyway. I'm gonna show you guys how my sis did these amazing pin curls on me after she installed the frontal. So yeah. So what she starts by doing is coating the strand of hair. She starts off by dividing the hair, and then she coats each strand with some hair serum, which I'll link down below, and then she wraps the hair around the wand and holds it for about 5 seconds, and then she pins it, which allows the curl to kind of stay in the desired style while it dries. So what she does, which is important, is she curls the hair towards my face, as you can see. So she curls it towards my face, and that's so that the curls fall in a certain way and they frame my face well, as you'll see when it's done. So yes, I was feeling how the hair was looking. I was looking like I was about to get married, but you know, she sprays the hair with a bit of Tigi Bed Head spray, which I'll also link down below. You can also use this to actually apply the frontal. I think that's what she actually used to apply the frontal in the first place, and she sprays it to kind of keep the pin curls held. It's kind of like a hairspray. One thing you'll also notice is that the hair, I've done a side part, so the hair on the other side is kind of curled the other direction, and the hair on the left is curled in another direction. Both are curled towards my face, but in their respective directions. And now she's undoing the pin curls, and she's doing it carefully to avoid a frizz. You don't want to like brush through it yet with your fingers or a brush. You want to kind of leave it to drop and leave everything to come down naturally as it would. I love how these curls came out. Like, they look so like dreamy and nice. I look like I'm about to get married. But anyway, they look so nice, and like sometimes I wish I could like keep the hair this way. Obviously, you know, it's too tight up, so you gotta kind of like, you know, brush it through. So that's what she does later on to finish up the look. To see how she applied the frontal in the first place, I have a video linked right on top of the screen. It will take you to the video of how she applied the lace anyway. The lace is from VG collection. It's from her own frontal line, Yeah, the frontal's amazing. It actually blended with my skin super nicely, and yeah, no ash, nothing like that. So now what she's gonna do is define the parts. So she parts it even more, neatens up the part, and then she applies a wax stick to like lay down the flyaways, and then of course uses the hot comb so that the hair is laid.
AK Marv produced it.